guys, welcome back to my YouTube. So today I'm starting off with this P.Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor. This is a really good base before applying the eyeshadow. It really sticks the eyeshadow down. And now I'm going in with the Luxe Tarte eyeshadow palette and I'm just buffing this shade into my crease, and then I'm going in with this rose gold shade, again with the same palette, and applying that to my inner corner. And now I'm going in with blank canvas and I'm just carving out where I'm doing my cut crease. In shaaanxo's latest makeup tutorial, I saw her use some Vaseline and a Q-tip just before that cut crease ends, and I gave this a go and it looked amazing. It looked photoshopped, it looked blurred, you have to give it a go if you haven't tried this. Honestly, I kid you not, it works a dream. And now I'm going in with this berry shade and just applying it to my lid. You always want to use a shimmery shade on the lid and then go in with a matte colour in the crease, and that just sharpens it up and makes it look more dimensional. And now I'm grabbing a Q-tip and I'm just going to clean up the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go in with Glow Girl by P.Louise and I'm just going to pop this purple pinky shade into my waterline, and this looks so good on green eyes. And then I'm also using this Urban Decay glitter eyeshadow. I'm just popping that in the inner corner along with this Tarte eyeshadow. And that's just going to make it look really intense. And now I'm going in with these Xobeauty lashes. They're in Wanderlust. They're amazing. They make your eyes pop. And now I'm using this Stila primer, and that's just going to cancel out any of the redness in my skin, prepare it for the foundation. And now I'm going in with this liquid highlighter that's just going to really make my highlighter pop at the end and make my skin look really glowy. And now I'm removing all the moisture from my damp beauty blender and going in with this Nars foundation. This foundation is so good. It's one of my favourite ones. It's really good if you've got dry skin. And it doesn't look flaky or anything gross on your skin. It just makes it look so good. You can tell how flawless it looks and the difference that it makes. And now I'm going in with this matte concealer. I love this concealer so much. It's really the only concealer that covers up my scar. So huge thumbs up to this concealer. Love it. And I'm just blending that into my skin with my beauty blender, and then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills banana shade from this contour kit. I love this contour kit. And now I'm going in with the NC15 powder. This is a really nice powder as well. It sets everything into place. I absolutely love it. It's my go-to. And now I'm going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and this is honestly my go-to. I love this bronzer. And now I'm using this Tarte blush. I love this blush so much. It's got a little bit of shimmer in it, but it looks perfect for this makeup look. Confined in mountain holes, we got too close to the flame, calling out Father. And now of course I'm going in with my favourite highlight, which is the Lou Manizer highlight by the Balm. I love this highlight so much. I've used it from when I very first started out makeup, and I'm also applying it to my brow bone. And now I'm using this Cream de Nude MAC lipstick, and I just want to say thank you so much if you've made it to the end. This is the final makeup look.